What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to WrenchingWrecked. We're taking a quick little break from the normal timeline of things that I've been working on today because we have Chopper Barn coming up. You don't know what that is? Chopper Barn Bash, number 3, third year in a row. Should be a good time. It was the last 2 years, but we're kind of gonna be opening up. If you have no idea what I'm talking about and you're not local-ish, you know, I know we got some people coming out from Iowa, Wisconsin, maybe further. We'll see. But anyways, we throw one event a year up here, Chopper Barn Bash. So I kind of open this up. If you've been around for a while, you know, kind of the lay of the land, if you will. We'll take a look out here. So we got all the bikes will be out of here. All the benches will be pushed away. But this year, I think it's on Facebook, Instagram. Instagram's chopper__bash. I'll put that somewhere here. But all of this will be closed up. Merch and shirts and things like that will be available here. Powder coating stuff, blasting, JTS merch, Chopper Barn merch. Dottie does a ton of designs and a ton of work getting everything prepped for this. So there's a lot of stuff available. Guys, shirts, pocket tees, crop tops for the ladies, all sorts of different stuff. But everything's gonna get cleared out of here, and basically this whole area turns into a chopper show. So it's been a good time the last couple of years, lots of good people, lots of fun to be had. My buddy Doug's gonna be running the chopper games, which will take place down by the lake. We got camping and swimming. Live music will take place here a little bit later on in the day. We got food vendors set up typically in the corner. I think they'll probably end up being there where all my blasting stuff is again. And this whole outer perimeter up here will be lined with vendors. I know there's crap everywhere. I have 1,000,001 things to do in order to get this show ready to go. So I've been scrambling on trying to get some of these bike things done. You'll see a couple more of those, but it might come after this video. But the ironhead chopper should be down and off the lift. It won't have a seat done, but we should be able to have that fired up today. That's the plan, at least. Fired up and on the ground, mobile, waiting on a brake line to show up in the mill. Then some of these other ones, my bikes are down. I'm not working on any of those until after next weekend. But Chopper Barn Saturday, July 25th. I know it's kind of late notice for you guys, but I'm sneaking this in through the editing process, get this video up there for that. Swim platform down at the lake is available. Maybe we'll run down there later on today. It's the first time it's not stupid hot. So I started cleaning up some of this overgrownness. Still got a ton of cleanup to do here, but camping, swimming, chopper games, raffles, live music, food. We'll have 2 kiddie pools full of beverages, one down there by the lake, one up here. Fishing poles and stuff are up here as well. I would recommend having a fishing license because that is state park back there, and every now and again we get visits. Let's see, there's a beach area. We're gonna have to go down there later to get the rest of that. Towards the end of the day, basically the lay of the land will be come in down the driveway, long gravel driveway, go through the tree line. There's a registration table that'll be set up and then a banner running across. It'll be pretty obvious. We got a bunch of helpers kind of directing traffic, things like that, that will be taking place. And like I said, Doug's gonna be doing the chopper games. So we will have all sorts of different things. Keg race, push the keg race, slow races, probably kickstart competition. What else? There's more, I'm just forgetting. We got people doing tattoos. We got some people vending, like I said, lining the tree line up here. Most of the vendors will be up here. Tattoos are gonna be in the barn. And this tree line perimeter will all be available for camping and activities. Hug tight along the tree line if possible. I'm gonna get down there and mow that up and trim that in the next couple days too. But essentially all the way down, we have this whole space available. And then there's some room down around the corner. So around the corner by the lake, we got a nice fire pit that'll be doing a big old bonfire down there. Then we usually set one up out here too. But this will be available. Van parking, vintage vans will line up kind of down the hill. Then we'll have a couple paths up here if you do feel so inclined and show up with a mini bike. Hopefully you don't end up going into that forest like we had last year. But I ended up mowing It's just overgrown now because that's on my schedule for this week, but there's usually a path coming up here, another path down there, then a path around this tree line and back up that hill a bit, way back here, and then this hill up here. We've done a couple chopper hill climbs up this section, which is not recommended if you are one of those, I don't want my bike to get hurt or risk dropping it. If you don't care, go for it. Going up and down the hill, use that path along that tree. Much easier to navigate. This one, kind of a steep incline. That one gets real bouncy real quick. If you want to do some fun riding, adventure riding, that's the move. So that's what we are going to be gearing up for. I know this is kind of an off-kilter video from the norm of what we've been working on, and if you're waiting to see more of those things, stay tuned in other videos, but I had to get the promo video out way late and $1 short per usual. All the info is available on Facebook at Chopper Barn Bash 2026 and Instagram Chopper Barn Bash or Chopper Barn. Chopper __ barn. I think I'm getting that right, and if not, Daddy's gonna kill me. But that's how that goes. This will all be cleared out, so I'm hoping, along with all the property prep I have to get working on this week, I'm hoping to have that shovel head bottom end relatively done, minus the heads. The heads will be bolted on. Get that done and put away. A lot of the cleanup stuff that I have to do up here involves me finishing stuff that's just sitting. So I got all this transmission stuff, not taking you along on the second one, but this case is ready to go. Gears are sitting here. Got to slap that together so I can put away a ton of these transmission bits. This bike I'm probably going to disassemble and make disappear. You might not even see that before Chopper Barn. I don't think. Maybe you will, maybe you won't, but I'm just trying to figure out spatially. This bike will be down on the ground and outside. This one is so far away, and I've already started gutting parts for that to finish this, which that's what it is. This just needs upholstery, but that's not going to happen until the first week of August, so that's pretty much it. I will be scrambling all week, cleaning and prepping and making things more presentable for the event, but it's a good time. If you've been here, you know. If you haven't been here, come on out. It's always a good time, always good fun to be had. My buddy Dennis Caravello is playing, and then, who's the other? Somebody from Iowa. Somebody from Iowa is coming out, tattooing, and then playing music later in the evening. And there's that. Make the trip. Jump on the wild side. If you are coming out, I do recommend bring a tent. It's way more fun. The event itself is fun. Hanging out with everybody is always a good time. Checking out all the bikes, always a good time. Music, food, everything has been great in the last couple years. For those that have camped out and stuck around till Sunday morning, usually Sunday morning is a kind of wake up, crack of dawn / hot in the tent, early rise, hungover cleansing, if you will. For those of you guys that are staying up and partying, which there's plenty of, and it's encouraged. But crash here, sleep in a tent, wake up, jump in some of the cleanest water in Illinois, and start your Sunday fun day with a little swim and float morning wake up. It's the best. If you've been here and did camp the last couple times, as fun as the event is, as fun as the social aspects of all that and talking to everybody, seeing everything, the Sunday morning swim, bring sunscreen. We have some here, but bring some. It'll get you. I think the most sunburnt a lot of my buddies have gotten has been from Saturday plus Sunday out here. It just happens. It's easy, but come on out, enjoy the property with us, and have a good time. And if not, plan on it for next time we host it. So there's that quick little Chopper Barn update. Come on out, check us out on Facebook / Instagram, Chopper Barn Bash 2026. Hope to see you guys there. Catch you on the next one.